Assalamu alaikum. Today is a new day for Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan here in Khan Yunis. I'm Mahmoud Al Agha and Ismail Haj, coordinators of Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan here in South Gaza. Although the war is still going on for 9 months, but we are in Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan provide and help people and displaced families for giving them cooked and hot meal for them.
To Al Khidmat Foundation Pakistan and all donors, Al Khidmat Foundation continuing to help and support displaced family in South Gaza. Thank you very much.